What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Bellicon Rebounder trampoline. Now, I've talked about this before, but I have a little bit more insight that I want to share with you today. I've been in the health and wellness industry for a really long time as a health and wellness coach and a health and wellness educator. And the Bellicon Rebounder has been a staple in my fitness routine for a long time now. In fact, my sister, my brother, my mom, and myself all have a Bellicon Rebounder. 4 out of the 6 family members in my family actually have a rebounder now. So it's something my whole family really loves. Even my 2 family members that don't have a Bellicon, they love it and they enjoy it when they visit other family members. And I've used multiple rebounders. I've used rebounders from Costco, NEDAC, you name it. Any brand, I've pretty much utilized a rebounder. And the reason I landed on the Bellicon was because of really several key distinctive reasons. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a review of what I like about the Bellicon and what makes it different from other rebounder brands on the market. So with that being said, the first thing that I really like about the Bellicon Rebounder is that the rebounder itself, you can have the capacity to fold the legs in, right? So that's very simple. It just does this. And when they fold in, you have a completely very easy to store rebounder, and you can put it in the closet, you can put it in narrow spaces just by folding those legs back. Now they have different options for that. They have fold-in legs, they have screw-in legs. They have a variety of options for that, so you can do what's best for you. I personally like the pop-out legs because it's quick, it's easy, and it makes storing it very easy. Personally though, I don't recommend storing it. And the reason for that is because you should be using it every single day. Even if it's just 2 or 3 or 5 minutes a day, it's something that when you use it, even just a few times a day, you'll notice the benefits. Your joints feel looser, you get that blood flowing, you get your heart rate up, and you really get the benefits. So the other thing I like about the Bellicon Rebounder is obviously the bungees. Now, here's a big thing you should know. Other rebounder brands have bungees as well, yes. But the elasticity and the recoil, meaning the bounce or the comeback from that jump on the Bellicon Rebounder, is very smooth and very elastic. What I tell people is that the Bellicon Rebounder mimics, like there's a term called biomimicry. Biomimicry means you're mimicking nature's design intelligently in products and manufacturing. What I love about the Bellicon Rebounder is these rebounder bungees, and it's partially the frame as well because the frame is so solid, but the recoil and the elasticity of the bungees paired with the mat, they have engineered it flawlessly to mimic your connective tissue. What I mean by that is your ligaments, your tendons, your fascia, the things in your body that have leeway, that have give. Other rebounders are really tight and they kind of, you don't get that rebounding effect as much. So that's one thing I really appreciate about the Bellicon Rebounder that I've never had in any other rebounder. In fact, one of my best friends is a fitness posture correction coach, very well known online. And he got a Bellicon, and I was telling him for years, it's way better than the one you have. The one he had was like $100, super cheap. And he got them and he jumped on them side by side. And he's like, it's a night and day difference. Like it doesn't even compare. I'm like, I told you. Because the bounce on here, it feels like a real bounce. Whereas the other rebounders, it's just kind of hard and it's not as friendly on your joints. So I like that this is really soft on your joints. It's soft on the connective tissue. And that's really one of the key benefits of rebounding is it's soft on your joints. And as you age, we've never really been designed to walk on concrete. Concrete is a man-made modern invention. We always had rocks or soil or things that gave some leeway and caused both convex and concave movement of our feet, meaning internal and external rotation of our feet. And that's what rebounding actually does. So not only is it soft and gentle, but when you're rebounding, when you're jumping, your feet, like in this case, your feet are doing this, okay? So they're going inward, and that's a good thing because most people's feet go outward, and that causes issues with their posture. So this is called concave. Concave means the outside is higher and the inside is lower, and it's forcing you to bounce into that and build strength and mobility and flexibility in parts of your body that you don't normally use when walking or running or jogging or biking or whatever. So that is another benefit to the rebounder that most people don't know about. It's great for cardiovascular health, lymphatic health, and really one of the key benefits is lymphatic health. Lymphatic detoxification. Your body, the water system in your body is called your lymphatic system, and NASA research shows that this is like 3 times better than running. Literally, like 300% better than running. So you get a more efficient workout in less time. It's better on your joints, which running is horrible on your joints. And it's great for cardiovascular health. And it's just good too, because your movement patterns, when you have to land on a trampoline, it's training your brain and your movement patterns to adapt and to be better on your feet. Kind of like a cat. Think how a cat may fall and it lands on its feet. Well, when you're jumping on a rebounder, you're better at landing on your feet and you're better with your mobility, your flexibility, and just overall, this is super beneficial, especially as we age. So there's a few benefits of the Bellicon. I mean, I could go on and on and on about why I love it. Another huge benefit that I love about the Bellicon, and this is something that I noticed even between the Bellicon and other rebounder brands in the market. Because the Bellicon bounce is so nice and it's so fluid and there's elasticity within the way they engineered it. By the way, it's Swiss-German engineered. So it's not from the US, it's from Europe. I believe it's Swiss engineered and German manufactured, or vice versa, something like that. But regardless, the frame itself is really solid. The bungees have a nice elasticity, and then the mat has this nice give, sort of interplay with the bungees, which gives you this really nice bounce. And what's nice about that is that when you're bouncing and you have that recoil and you have that bounce effect, it's fun. Whereas on other trampolines, it's kind of hard and stagnant and solid, and it's just like, it's less comfortable. So I really like that about the Bellicon Rebounder, and it makes it stand out compared to other rebounder brands in the market. Additionally, if you're looking at potentially getting a vibration plate, I do not recommend most vibration plates, probably 95% of vibration plates on the market anymore, because there's now research that's showing that that shaking or that reverberation actually shakes your brain, and that can be problematic. So what's nice about the Bellicon Rebounder is, like, if I'm just gonna sit here and jump like this, right? You can do that, that's natural, there's nothing wrong with that. The same thing is occurring to some degree on the Rebounder, but I'm getting a little bit more of a flinging effect, and it's not a hard surface, it's a softer surface. So that's better for joints, and you get more of a air time, and that air time moves the water, the lymphatic system in your body, that water moving up and down, so it detoxifies you quicker, which gives you a much better benefit overall. So if you're thinking about getting a vibration plate or a rebounder, I would highly recommend the Bellicon Rebounder over the vibration plate, simply because there is more positive research around a rebounder, whereas the vibration plates, some of them, they shake too quickly and they don't take into account your body weight and all these different types of things that make it specific to you, and that can actually create damage on your brain. And you're also not moving typically on a vibration plate, whereas if you're on the rebounder, you have to jump. You have to enjoy it, you have to be active, and you're working your entire body. Your calves, you can just kind of sit and engage your calves. You're working your thighs, your hamstrings, your glutes. You're actually engaging your core as well, because when you're jumping, you're engaging your core. And even just as you're recalibrating when you're landing, you're moving your shoulders and your arms and things like that. So you're really engaging a lot of muscle groups when you're rebounding. And that is fantastic because it's efficient. It's a great time to energy efficiency in terms of, like, you're spending 5, 10, 15 minutes rebounding, but then you're engaging your core, your legs, and really your entire body to some degree. I mean, you're not gonna engage like your biceps as much, but even just jumping and holding, like I'll hold my arms up like this, I'm engaging my shoulders and my arms as well to some degree, not as much as my legs and my core, but that's fine because your legs are your number one muscle group for longevity anyway, and your core is very important. So that's actually more important that the bottom half is worked more than the top half for longevity and anti-aging in terms of that as well. Your muscles, your legs produce HGH, so you're engaging those more than anything. You're helping your human growth hormone levels and so much more. So with all that being said, I recommend the Bellicon Rebounder. I've used, I think 3 or 4 different rebounders. Like I said, the Costco brand, Nidak, a few other brands. Nothing even comes close to Bellicon Rebounder. And I think it's because it's Swiss-German engineered and manufactured, and now they're making their way into the US market. So I just highly recommend it. So with that being said, I'll link up the Bellicon Rebounder below. And as I also stated, I recommend rebounding with the Bellicon Rebounder over any other rebounder, but also over vibration plates overall. Like I said, the majority of them, because they're gentle, soft, and you're actually engaging more of your muscles and blood flow and lymphatic flow and things like that. So with that being said, check out the Bellicon Rebounder below. And if you want to get discounts on 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section, and that will give you discounts to brands that I personally vetted as a health and wellness coach. And oh yeah, one more thing. There's a lot of options. Oh, this is another thing. This is the 44-inch rebounder. I'm 5'9", just so you have kind of a frame like of context there. So when I stand on it, I have I can kind of get into a squat position and go down. I find that the 39-inch is a little small for me, but if you're like 5'1" or something and you're smaller, the 39-inch might not be too bad for you, but this is the mid-level 44-inch. There's also a 49-inch. They have different bungee colors, different bungee strengths based on your weight, and then different options to put different like coverings, for example, over the bungees. I just leave mine open because I'm totally fine and I don't really need that extra thing. And they have bars and attachments, all types of customizations as well, which is really nice because pretty much every other every other rebounder brand doesn't have all those customizations. They don't have 3 sizes. The bungees in regards to your weight, the bar, I mean, everything is customizable. So you get something that works for you, that fits for you. And the last thing I'll say is this, and I've heard this before from other people, so it's not just me. People that get a Bellicon Rebounder use it long-term continuously. You may get and cancel a gym membership. You may do Pilates for bid and stop, or whatever it may be. But the nice thing about the Rebounder is it's in your home. You put it in a room where you're active and you're there daily, and even just jumping on it 5 minutes a day, it makes a huge difference. You'll feel better in your joints, your muscles, your blood flow, your energy, your sleep. I mean, really everything, your cardiovascular health, lymphatic health. It's literally the best thing you can do for lymphatic health. Laughter and rebounding are the 2 best things you can do for lymphatic health. Obviously hydration and things are important as well, but laughter and rebounding, some of the best things you can possibly do for lymphatic health. So if you want a healthy lymphatic system, healthy joints, to be gentle on your joints as you age, and to stay strong and to engage your whole body with an exercise that's fun, that you actually continue, grab a Bellicon Rebounder right below this video. I'll put a discount code to this brand as well. I think I have one. If not, I'll see if I can get one, but I'll put the link right below this video. And like I said, check out the links below and make sure to subscribe for future health and wellness reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day.